Since the 4th of July is both an American and a local holiday, we're back in the kitchen to make another nostalgia-packed meal. Oh, also my shotgun mic broke, so here's a clip of me being a goofball. Now let's get cooking. Corn dogs are one of those meals that you don't really see on this side of the ocean. They're only really sold in Korean restaurants here, and even then, those are far and few in between around these parts. So to get started, we're going to make the batter, which is basically corn pancake mix. In a large bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of cornmeal, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then whisk thoroughly. Now in a separate bowl, we're combining 1.5 cups of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Fusion! Ha! Oh wow, that worked! Nice! Now we're going to find the tallest container we've got on hand and pour in the batter, leaving a little space at the top. And now onto our wieners. After a quick trip to the local market, we've procured the finest of sausages. Usually there are many brands available, this one is a bockwurst. There are a few brands that sell hot dogs, but I swear that they taste different from the American varietals, at least to me. Next, we're going to skewer our sausages until about 2/3 of the way. Be careful not to eat the skewer when you consume them. If your sticks are a bit too long like mine, simply snip off the ends. Finally, we've gotten to the fun part of the video. Set your stove to high heat and wait until your oil is bubbling hot for this, at about 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. We're going to dunk one of our dogs into the batter and drop it directly into the oil, very carefully. And cook for about 3 minutes per side or until golden brown all around if your oil is deep enough. Once they're done, we're taking the corn dogs out of the oil and setting them up to dry on a paper towel lined plate. For the classic Americana, I'm placing 1 strip of ketchup and 1 zigzag of mustard onto the first dog. Or maybe you're like me and prefer a spicier version, with sriracha and green onions. Or if you're a purist and enjoy the flavor of the corn dog plain, I get you. Otherwise, you can try a sweet and sour version instead. Come on man, these things look amazing. Now on to our first bite. You don't understand the memories this taste brings back to me. And there's nothing better than to share it with friends and family on this surprisingly international holiday. Right now, we're going to share in this scrumptious meal. Happy 4th of July to everyone.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. 1 step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.